Wetin happen for school dem for Cameroon today? Wey pikin dey go organize group sex. I say they organize group sex. They do papa, mami for group. College pikin them. 14 years, 13 years, 15 years, 16-year pikin them. They organize themselves. They drug themselves. When one papa no dey house or they don't travel, he carry his friend them, they go for their house. 4 man pikin, 6 woman. 10 girls, 14 boys. It don't turn as something way, it don't be for way, it terrible. We see him for Kribi. It happen for that side for Bafusam. It don't happen for that side for Ebolovo. How it happen? Now outside they take these drugs and now they infiltrate the picking them with the drugs for the drug them and then put any kind of nonsense idea for their head. Instead of go school for learn book, una go big. Mami, una go do am. Una go do am so te una tire. Why una know the concentrate una self for una school work? Una then only for the take give me tongue. Where they don't take that and banga so they see Sam listen and see. When they don't take banga so they say they fit fight Francis Ngannou. Say they get power past Francis Ngannou. When they don't take them so courage be for their head, they say they fit carry camion. Now they bad thing that for that thing them. And then it is spoil una nerves, na nervous system. And then that drug one that they take so methamphetamine, mbanga, marijuana, mix them together, fiafa, nku. If you make us so, you lost vigor. So, the pikin them, una dey hear me, una stop am. Una no begin bring una papa and una mami them headache. Now so for Douala, so woman, he own pikin, whether na which training or whether pikin don't get am, I don't understand. He own palava na for the bring fight. Fight, all play for quarter, small thing na fight. If mami no come, if pikin don't go fight, knock people them. Instead of call a pikin to order, he want begin me na so neighbor away that pikin like that pikin, they don't go court book, the matter don't turn on as some kind matter, medical certificate, all that kind of thing, it don't go enter inside. Na so the thing dey. So Reme, I think say you give a control pikin. Repe, see and where I know say na Reme dey be for ntang with pikin for long. See and where say me they control the pikin into fine. You know fine for let pikin and just like that. Now that kind of living just like that make away that pikin them where they go college. So one day they enter inside group sex, they enter inside drugs. Now that thing they make away some pikin person you just start tour where they small. Instead of call you to order, you say no leave my pikin. No me na sika one egg with my pikin tifam where you go begin bring it problem. No me na sika this one with my pikin tifam where you go bring problem. Leave my pikin. Before you want know, it don't turn a strong to attack. So I think say now high time may we try for the bring small order for picking them, and the best time for bring for educate picking now from 0 to 5 years. If we miss out on that, it will be na some way you know correct. We will see that this other way go to come. Now so it go happen. So for Douala here, some boy picking, 16-year-old, he take knife for chuki papa with him. What happen where chuki papa? Na say, if papa dey beat the mommy all time, beat mommy all time, beat mommy all time. So if papa dey beat the mommy yesterday, they begin try for help the mommy, power no day. If papa strong passy, papa get ngum passy. As he see and so say papa get ngum passy, pa domo he go take knife for catch chuki pa utam. E mami kra wong in uko ireye wo ajong mangia ma. That's so the thing happen. Una no fit return una woman them. You buy a woman. Now you die return it back for them. Where 1 year munyong. Now for you you call it for year munyong. Where you want me prepare you chop, you want prepare this and that na ye. Una want to correct na ye. But you turn it for punching back. If you reverse, go for war, no go jam war, you go see how we hand them, yeah? Blood go come off your hand, now you go know. Woman no be na punching back. You know supposed to beat woman. Woman beaters them. Una stop for the beat woman beaters. You know correct. Amanga inen, you know correct. If some man will tell una, na me I will tell una, you know correct. That thing no correct. Una stop beating wife them. E no correct. Countryman, countrywoman,